Hey guys, it's me again, Femi. I just want to very quickly address some of the frequently asked questions that I get from parents. And the first one typically is, "Hey, Mr. Femi, why is my child's mark this? And how can my child do better?" So let's say, for example, a child is getting a 55% in the course, and the parent says, "Hey, why is my child's mark only a 55%?" And the truth to that is, most of the time that it's because your child have only done 55% of the work, right? It's a 100% system. If you want 100%, you should do 100% of the work. If you've only put in 55% of the effort, your marks will more than likely reflect how much effort you have put into the work. And so how can my mark get better? Do more work, right? The more work you do, the more you study, the better your marks will get. Like I said before, it is not magic. The harder you work, you will reap the rewards of your hard work. The questions that I get frequently is how, as a parent, how can I support my child's education from home? Um, Again, with younger children, teenagers, and younger, you might need to tell them the same thing 5, 10, 20 times over. And the trick is to not give up on them, right? And if it takes you saying it 10 times, it's just what you have to do. You just have to keep drilling it onto them. Go do your homework, go do your assignments, go do your tasks, go do whatever it is. You could build some type of a reward system in the house. Maybe you don't get video game time unless you have done an hour of homework or something like that. But what's important is we cannot give up on them, right? You just have to keep drilling these instructions to them. They're teenagers. That's how they're wired, unfortunately, or fortunately. Lastly, I got a lot of questions about students' behavioral habits in the classroom. Um, to be fair, Cambridge has always created a very positive environment, and so we don't have students who behave erratically in classroom. Especially when you see that everybody else in class is well behaved and is trying to study and is trying to do something serious. If you are the unserious student, you will more than likely follow suit as your fellow classmates. I hope this helps. Thank you.